Why do so many pros constantly play on this keyboard? And is it really that good? This is the Razer Huntsman V3 PRO. And there are so many people saying it's overrated. But is it really? With their new optical switches Gen 2 that go down to 0.1mm, it's definitely fast. And no, as a normal person, you do not need any faster than that, because you don't feel any difference at all. Of course, it also comes with rapid trigger down to 0.1mm and near to zero input delay, all controlled on their amazing driver. Sadly, I'm not the biggest fan of the keyboard sound, but what do you think? Let me know in the comments and check the keyboard out in the bio.